Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you some of the items that I picked up at our Dooney meetup in Chicago over the Memorial weekend. But before I do so, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. The word is subscribe, Pauline. Subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my uploads. So let's get into it. So we'll start with the SAMBA lock and key fob. There's the lock and the key is behind it. And I would have never thought to pick this up, but if you watch my last video, there was a gentleman there with a shirt that says The Enabler. He told me that I needed it. He gets me. He told me I needed it and I should get it. So I got it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know which bag I'm gonna put this on yet. It may be the saddle bag to give it that extra bling. I'm not sure yet. And then I also picked up the wallet. I've never owned a Dooney wallet before, and I'm really excited. So this is the large zip around wallet in the color elephant. I love the long strap so you can carry this as a wristlet. And just the other cute little details right here. Of course, on the front you have the Dooney plate. And I'll take these out. So on the inside, you have a total 6 credit card slot on the front here. Here you can hold, this is your bill compartment. You have this divider right here, which is a zip divider for your coins. Then you have another bill compartment here. Another bill compartment here. And then on the back, you have another 6 credit card slots. So, and this retailed for $138. So I love this nice little gusset on the sides. And of course, the beautiful gold stitching and the gold hardware. So it's my gorgeous wallet. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so that's my wallet. And since I've been doing a lot of traveling this year, I wanted something to protect my passport. So I picked up this passport holder. And let me just get all the information for you. I picked up this passport holder, this Florentine passport holder. Yeah, the Dooney and Bourke imprinted here at the bottom. Then you open it, the registration. Such a savage. And this beautiful print on the inside. So that's my passport holder in black. Then one of my favorite purchases, thanks to DooneyAddict615, who is also an enabler. She can talk you into anything. Don't shop with her. Don't speak with her. Don't text with her. She will tell you you need it. And if you're weak, like I am, you will believe it. So I picked up the Carrington in red. I'm just going to be quiet and let you take this all in. Tell me this isn't gorgeousness right here. Tell me this isn't gorgeous. I love anything with tassels. So it has this beautiful long tassel. I love that. And gold zipper pull. I didn't realize how gorgeous this really is. And then on the inside, you have just a zipper. Same color red, of course, red lining. And you have this back zipper right here. And inside, it's really deep, isn't it? You can tell this holds a lot. And for me, I definitely need a bag like this. Do we need anything really? Yes, we do. But look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if I wanted, it's such a beautiful bag. I could carry it like this. I could put, from traveling, I can put all my cosmetics in here. I think this is a beautiful bag. Absolutely love it. And lastly, again, DooneyAddict615 told me that I needed this. I refused to be influenced by other people. I refuse to be influenced by DooneyAddict615. She goes, you need to get this, thank me later. And by this, just wait for it. I mean this. This is the Gymn duffel. This is the Swirl with the lovely lollipops on it. So this is 10 in height, 9.5 width, and 19 inches in length. Look at this gorgeous drop handle. It has the strap. So I would use this as a weekender bag. You can use it as a gym bag, but not me. Inside, you have on the front section, do you see that? That beautiful, that pool blue. And you have the two slip pockets, front slip pockets. And then on the back, you have a zip pocket. So that is it. I absolutely love my bag. Even though that wasn't the print that DooneyAddict615 told me that I should get, but that was the one that caught my eye because of all the lollipops, and I'm a foodie. Anyway, so thank you so much for joining me. I will leave everyone's information down below who is at the meetup, so you can go ahead and enjoy their hauls and our videos from the meetup. I thank you all so much for watching. As always, please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.